Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and welcome back to my channel and to a kit lineup video for June. So we have 3 planners to go over. We have my main camera that you see me use on here, my off-camera memory planner and my pre-planner. So we'll start quickly with my pre-planner, and I just wanted to go for something bright and colourful. So this is Born to Skate by Plannerface. I do PR for Plannerface, so you can use Tilly to save 10% and to get an extra freebie. So yeah, I just wanted something bright, colourful, and this Darcy art just seemed perfect for that. So you've got that there, you've got the extra double box of the inside of the skate park, and then yeah, nice bright colours, beautiful and colourful, exactly what I kind of wanted for this. Then you have extra girl boxes because Anna is super generous and includes those there. I've got toolboxes as well. I think these must have been included because I don't buy toolboxes. These are generally an add-on, but yeah, you've got that guard there. You've got the deco and icons, 15mm, and the box add-on there. So these two aren't included. Everything else before that point is included in the standard vertical kit because Anna is super generous. So that is for my pre-planner. I just go over that quickly. I don't use foil in my pre-planner. Anyway, now let's get to the exciting parts. So we have my memory planner, main memory planner that you see on here, and it is my wedding anniversary in June, and it's actually not in this first week, but my friend is doing a 30th party the week of our anniversary, because it's her 30th the week of our anniversary, so I'm using this kit the week before just to, you know, why not? So this is Trinkadass Wedding, which is exclusive art from Rhymer made by Plannerface to look like my wedding, because I got married at a safari park zoo. So these are the full boxes. I have random deco from another kit that Colourful & Co made, but the paper is very similar, in fact I think the same. So yeah, I've got that too. So these are the boxes. There's some extra boxes here, and there's extra bottom washi which I have lots of, and I just sent me loads of extras, so I've got various bits and pieces. This is my last full copy of the kit, so that is the full copy. This is leftovers from last time I used it. As you can see, there's not much of some and more of others. This will be our 3rd year married. This will be our 2nd wedding anniversary, so it'll be the 3rd time I've used this kit. These are more boxes. Some of these are from the Colourful & Co kit, and these are Colourful & Co leftovers, but in the colours of the Plannerface kit, so that they're boxes I could use whilst colour blocking the Plannerface kit. And I decided to stick with Plannerface for my foil, and we have this gorgeous silver foil kit in hearts because that's just perfect for an anniversary. So you've got the 2 pages of 4 boxes and headers. You've got your bougie, which I probably won't be using because actually they may look pretty cute over. What do we think? I'm going to test it. Watch me test this, and it will be horrible, and then I will regret the decision instantaneously. But we'll try. What do we think? Let me know in the comments down below what we think of the overlay of the silver foil. I think it's better without. That's my gut feeling, but let me know what you think in the comments below. And then this is the bottom washi and script page, so that's there. And then we are using these orange doodle hearts from my shop as underlays. So they are in, I don't even know what this is called, but it's an orange shattered / liney effect, and you can see like the holographicness, but not holographicness, different lines appearing on there. So I'm excited for that. I think the orange really matches this orange, and I think it'll look super like bright and colourful, and let's face it, that is me to a T. So yeah, that is my first week of June, and that is the week of 3rd of May. 3rd of June, oh my god, the 3rd of June. So our wedding anniversary is the 11th of June, but yeah, this is for the 3rd. Okay, so on to the 10th of June, which is actually the week of our anniversary, but my friend is having a boat party in London, so we are going to that. So I have this London kit from, it was the February mystery from Plannerface, because yeah, we're going on a boat trip on the Thames, so that will be cool. We'll see a lot of these sites while we're there, so I just thought it'd be nice to use a London kit. I could have used a birthday kit, and I am doing that in my off-camera planner, but I just, yeah, we went with this for this kit. So we've got that there. You've got your alternate skin tones. My friend is Asian, that's birthday is, so none of these look like her, because she is more, you know, tan than the white people and less tan than, anyway, so yeah, but that's fine, it's not a problem. Lots of inclusion anyway. Then we have the Deco icons, we have the glitter add-on, the box add-on, the bottom washi add-on, and the mystery add-on there. So yeah, and then I thought with this I would use the strawberry foil bundle because it is beautiful and red, and I feel like you need red and blue foil this, and of course I'm using red and blue foil. So we have this red sparkly kit, partly because it also, this came with this birthday boxes from Scribble Prints Co. It was part of a Scribble Prints Co. mystery, and this is the Caress Press bundle format it came with. So you've got your full boxes there, then you've got your extra boxes and headers, then it came with the box add-on as well. You've got the underlays, got 2 pages of those, where's the other one? 2 pages of those, your script and icon page, and your bottom washi page. Obviously strawberries grow in the UK, and it's a big thing in Wimbledon, which, so that kind of is my link to strawberries in London, kind of works for me, so we're going with it. And so then I'm going to layer those underlays with solid blue underlays, because just look how freaking awesome that looks. It's just perfect, like it's just quintessential Britain slash, I'm not a patriotic person, but this is just, it makes me happy, okay? It really does. So that is that for the week of the 10th of June for my friend's birthday. Then it would not be June if we weren't using a Pride kit. So of course we are using a Pride kit, and this is a go big or go home kit for me, because we are going to do a full rainbow colour block, because we have the box and glitter add-on to give us 8 colours, and I can't wait. So let's just go through what we have. We do have the 4 boxes. I'm obsessed. Like this box, just chef's kiss, just all of it chef's kiss. I can't, I'm obsessed. The colours are everything to me. In fact, they're quite similar, like not the same, but they're quite similar to my wedding colours. That's actually hilarious. Like that green is practically the same, that blue is practically the same. The yellow in my birthday kit, in my wedding kit, is a little bit darker, but they're very similar, and then it's a red instead of an orange. I hadn't even noticed that, that's hilarious to me. But yeah, that's there. Look at this bottom washi, it is praying to be colour blocked. It just is, with the 8 colours, just yes, pay for it. So this is the kit in all its glory. Look at the 50mm add-on as well. Oh, I just can't. We have these here, the extra skin tones and stuff, and then I didn't get the box add-on. I got the alternate colours in the box and the glitter add-on rather than any, because that will be plenty for 4 days. So that's what I've got there. And I even love these patterns. Oh, it's so cute. I can't. So that is the Pride kit, Shine Bright Quintnish Desart from Plannerface. Then of course I had to go rainbow foil with this, because you just have to, you just have to. So you've got your Scribble Prints Co format, so you've got boxes there. In fact, it's a foil bundle from 3 different shops so far. Your under bougie, you've got your script and icon, your bottom washi, and then I've put an extra sheet of bougie in there for if, and an extra 2 boxes for if I need more, because I have spare. I have some solid boxes there, and then we have this, though I probably won't use those because in a colour blocked rainbow spread, no. We also have this Love Always Wins Pride washi, obsessed with that. So yeah, we'll be using that. And then I am using these glossy overlays from my shop, underlays from my shop, and I'm going to layer these over the bougie here. So I'll just show you how that is going to look there. Obviously these are oops from my shop. These would not be sent out, and actually it's a foil I don't offer because it oopses and it's not available anymore. So yeah, my bad. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I can't wait to do the spread. It's going to be chef's kiss, and like they're not the same, but they have the same style sort of thing. So yeah, super, super excited. I think this is going to be chef's kiss combo and just celebrating all things pride. I am LGBT. Yes, I am cis and in a heterosexual relationship, but that doesn't stop me being LGBT. So that's that. Next up, we have our final week in June, which is, I am terrible at dates, the 24th of June, and it is this In Bloom kit from Plannerface. I just love this kit. It's an older format, and I just thought, you know what, I am going to use this and, you know, chef's kiss foil combo with it and love it, because it's nice and bright and summery, and it just is June-ish to me. So they're your 4 boxes. This is old format, so I'm not going to linger on the format. I'm just going to flick through relatively quickly. Got extra boxes there. Super cute. Love that bottom washi. I love the add-on bottom washi even more. Got the box add-on and the glitter add-on here, and another box add-on and another glitter add-on. What did I do? Why do I have so much? I'm so confused. Apparently I do. Whatevs. And then, oh, I am so excited for this. Right, so we have this Wave Gold groovy foil bundle from Scrub Romance Co, which has smiley faces and stuff on it, but they just look like large polka dots, so it's a bit weird. But it is still like the style of the kit, and I love it. So you've got your washi there, you have your underlays, which are that like groovy wave checked pattern. You've got your script and icon, and this is the new page. We got some extra scripts there, which this is just hollowing too well, so it's hard to see things. And then your bottom washi page there. That's not the latest bottom washi page with the icons, so I just feel like that matches really well with the yellow, and just, yeah, that will be excellent. And then to just elevate it that little bit more, we're gonna have pink solid underlays under the checker, because look at that. Is it not just perfection? Like, just look at it. It's just perfection. It's just beautiful. I can't. Oof. I am obsessed. Cannot wait to see this laid down. It's gonna be 10 out of 10. Oh, I cannot wait. It's gonna be absolutely ages before I put these spreads down, and I'm like, oh, but I've got such killer combos. I'm so excited for them. So yeah, that is In Bloom, and that is the last kit in my main planner. So we're jumping over now to my off-camera planner. These are just a simple foil bundle and kit, because it's just somewhere for me to plan for me, and I don't need to be buying 2 sets of underlays for every week and stuff. So yeah, this is just sort of a way to use up my kits and enjoy my kits, and have time to plan off camera. Now I am putting up every memory spread. Anyway, so for the first week, the week of the 3rd of June, we have this movie night kit. I just think it's like cute and romantic and like nice and relaxing, and just kind of what I'm gonna need, having had a quite busy month the month before with going to Disney and things. And it's kind of romantic-ish, which helps with the Valentine's Eve vibes. So yeah, it's like the words, anniversary vibes. So these are your 4 boxes. Your this is old format. This is new format. This is new format. I was like, I don't even remember. But yeah, this is the kit. I have the redhead fam boxes apparently. You came with a toolbox freebie, and there is the bottom washi, and I am pairing this with Caress Press Movie Night foil. So this is old format, so you've just got your, this is in silver, you've got your 8 full boxes there, your headers, bottom washi, and little deco. And I don't even have the bougie for this, but that's your script and icon page. I will pull out, I've got plenty of silver bougie, or I'll use my roll. But yeah, so that is the first kit. Then, as I said before, the 2nd week is my friend's birthday down in London, so I'm just using a birthday kit. So this is the 4 boxes. I haven't actually used it yet, but I am using it. Yeah, I'm not going to go over the format because this is just standard Plannerface current format. We have the deco and icons, extra boxes, which I will not be using any of the babies because she is an adult. It's her 30th birthday. We have bottom washi, add-on, 50mm add-on, and the box add-on there. And then to keep with the like a green and blue vibe, we are using green hollow foil for this, just in the simple confetti. So we have 2 of the full boxes, 2 of the bougie, the new but not newest script and icon, and the bottom washi page there. It's nice and simple, keeping it cute and simple. Quite happy and looking forward to that. There. So for the third week, which is the week of the 10th of June, I am doing an old favourite of mine, which is using the old style PR freebies to put together a kit. And this is my sort of Pride equivalent in this planner, because I don't have another Pride kit at the moment. There is another Pride out that came out this year, but in my effort to use my stuff, I'm going to use this. So I have these old PR freebies. So that one is Cats. This one was one of mine. This was somebody called Louise. This is a different one of Cats. This is Beth of Beth Plans, another of Beth Plans, another of my own, and Milan's there. So I will use those and like colour block. So I'll use one for each day and pull in any extras that I need to like have a colour blocked PR freebie spread. And then because it's Pride and like rainbowy, I am just pulling in simple hollow foil extras basically with it. So these are just leftovers that I will put together and make work. So like this has got cut up bougie because I was clearly wanting bougie for it. I've got some Scribble Prints Co and a Crest Press, one of those, and I have 2 sets of bottom washi and icons and stuff. So we'll see how that goes. It'll be fun to put together. I've not done a spread like that for absolutely ages, so it'll be interesting to see how it turns out. And then for the last week of June, the week of the 24th, I thought I would use this gorgeous summery kit from Crest Press. Yeah, I just think it's nice and beautiful and summery and happy, and I just think it's nice for the last week of June. We're not doing anything special. This is an old format as well, so I'm just going to flick through it. It's also in glossy, which is not my favourite choice of paper, but it is what we got and it's what we're working with. God, this is old format. Look at the icons on the little things. We've got the 15mm add-on. We've got date cover, colour box day covers, which just is not my favourite thing. It just isn't. I'm sorry. It's just not my thing. But it's not too bad because I probably would have chosen this colour for the one day anyway. That or the peach, but the peach is alright. Then we got some extra boxes there, and then I decided to pair this with sparkly hollow celestial foil from Scribble Prints Co. So boxes, bougie, script and icon, very old, and the bottom washi. And that is all of my kits. So this is my kits for the week. For the month, I have 7 from Plannerface, 1 Crest Press and 1 Scribble Prints Co. I think partly that is because I couldn't use any Plannerface in May because I was doing all Disney and she doesn't do copyright kits. So let me know which kit foil bundle you're most excited for. I think I have to say it is this. I'm not even a pink girly, but this is just too epic a combo. Though this is going to be Chef's Kiss as well. Oh, I'm super excited for a lot of these spreads. Let me know which you're most excited for down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!